How to clear search history on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. And here you will have two options. You can either click on History or click on Settings, and from the Basics section click on Privacy and Security and then click on Clear Browsing Data. They will both take you to the same page, so choose whatever option suits you the best. Once you do that, from the time range, select the time range that you want to delete your history. For example, less 24 hours or less 7 days or whatever. If you want to delete all of the search history, select all time. I'm going to select 24 hours, for example. And then make sure that all the boxes are unchecked except the browsing history box. It's the one that needs to be checked. It's the only one that needs to be checked. Once you do that, click on Clear Data at the bottom right of the screen. And there you have it. You just deleted the search history of that specific range of time that you have set. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete search history in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.